Hello everyone, I am Emre from the Binance Global Affiliate Program. Today I am going to show you how to trade tokenized AMD shares. You can use one of the referral codes to open an account on Binance. FUTURESMAX, BESTCODEMAX or 2026 BESTCODE. As you can see on the account opening screen, you will see my name, my nickname, and the advantages my codes offer. Your Google account, Telegram account, Apple account, or you can easily register for Binance Global with your phone number or email. What advantage will this code provide you? It provides a 120% lifetime spot rebate and a 10% rebate on leveraged trades. You can also benefit from the $19,800 task-based welcome bonus. Now, if you wish, let's move on to the video. Yes friends, now I will show you how to trade AMD bStocks shares, meaning tokenized AMD shares, on Binance Global in a practical way. First of all, we have completed the account creation. If you used one of my referral codes, you can start the steps to receive the $19,800 periodic bonus. You can already find the article about this at the bottom of the video or on my Square page. Now, firstly, we need to perform a KYC verification. To trade on Binance Global in compliance with regulations, you need to verify your KYC, friends. You will get your account approved. To do this, on the KYC screen, you can use your national ID, driver's license, or passport, or your residence permit. After the KYC screen is completed, we need to deposit money. Look, on the main page, there is an Add Money section. We click there. From here, we click on Buy with US dollars. Let's choose the payment method from here. I am choosing a timeless card, the most practical method. From here, you can buy either USDC or USDT. We need to buy a stable coin. I will show it via Tether. I am writing $1,000 here, for example. The moment you click Buy with discount, you will have purchased $1,000 of Tether, and it goes to your Spot account. Now we have bought our $1,000 worth of stable coin. How will we trade AMD tokenized shares? Look, at the bottom of the main screen is the Markets section. I click there. Look, there is Crypto Alpha. TradeFi is here. We click on TradeFi. From here, we click on Stock. All tokenized shares have come before us. Let's find AMD from here. Look, this is AMD's chart. If you click on the Info section, AMD's bStocks Instant, Volume, Dominance, you see everything. Now, how do we trade AMD tokenized shares on Binance Global? I click on Buy at the bottom. On this screen, the red ones you see on the right are sell orders. The green ones are buy orders, friends. The price you see in the middle shows the current price. Now, when buying, click on one of these reds in the first two rows of the list on the right. I am writing $1,000 here. When I say buy, you buy tokenized AMD shares on Binance Global, friends. When selling, I go to the Sell section. This time, on the right, the green ones. I click on one of the first two rows of orders. Here too. However many shares I have, for example, 1.5. I write my share and click on the Sell section. In this way, I am selling AMD's tokenized shares. That is how simple and easy it is to trade bStocks and tokenized shares on Binance Global, friends. Yes, friends. This is how AMD tokenized shares were traded on Binance Global. I hope you liked the video. You can use my referral codes. Also, do not forget to visit the Binance Academy pages. You can find information on methods to protect your account, how to be careful against scammers, chart reading, market analysis, what FUD and FOMO are, and technical information like this on the Binance Academy pages. Also, the official pages of Binance Global. Do not forget to follow. See you in another video. Sincerely, Emre.